Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Google Picks My Makeup challenge, and so for mine, I took kind of what Nikki Tutorials did, and instead of using my initials, I googled my first and last name, and I have a picture, and I'll put the picture in here somewhere. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to Okay, so looking at this picture, there's a lot of red, orange, blue, and then a little bit of purple, and like a little bit of green. So I'm just going to start off by taking this Aurora X Ipsy concealer and priming my lids. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the shade Divinity from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, which is the large pan matte shade. Just this one. I'm just going to set down that primer. Okay. So, since there's a lot of red and orange, I'm going to start off by going into the Morphe 3502, and I'm just going to take that first shade, Universal, and start with a transition. Alright. So, first I'm going to take the shade I'm going to take the shade Sauce and focus that down just a little lower. Alright, so now I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to take the shade, I think it's Fire, yeah, I'm going to take the shade Fire and focus it right in the crease. I'm going to go back into that second shade and blend this out a little. And then I'm going to go back into that very first shade, Universal, and make sure everything is nice and blended. Alright, so now I am going to go into this Lovesick Noir palette, and I'm going to take this blue shade on that same like pencil-y brush and focus that right in the outer V. And I'm going to drag that in about 3/4 of the way, but I'm just blending it as I'm bringing it in. And then I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take the shade Fire and focus this in the crease a little more. And then I'm going to go back into the Lovesick palette, and I'm just going to take this purple shade, and I'm going to put this on the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna go finish up all my face makeup, and then I will be right back. Alright, well this is the final look. I tried to do a little bit of like a green on my lower lash line, and it just isn't really showing up. But yeah, if you look at the picture, I think I did a pretty good job of incorporating those colors. I know there's not as much orange as there is in the picture, but the orange pretty much blends away because I put orange on and I went back in and fixed it, and it's just not really happening. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.